My name is Francisca Sottomayor. I'm from Porto, Portugal. I'm happy to say I'm a designer in residency here at Center Rog. The project is called Community Plate, How Can Food and Design Help Us to Live More Harmoniously? So this is a 1.5 meter terracotta sprouting plates composed by 21 different pieces that represents diversity. Each one has two parts, the pool that is glazed inside and where the water is, and a tray that fits in it where the seeds are and grow. To be working with clay and with my hands, being in the present moment, focusing on what I'm doing, it's a great training for life. The lab where I am the most is ceramic lab, of course. I'm there every day intensely for the last month. Clay is very even, so then I can work on it and then cut the shape. I cut the walls, so I make like these 2 centimeters, many rectangles, and then I make the construction of it. The wall glues in the bottom, and after we glaze them and they go to the kiln again. The plates will be used first time in the exhibition opening, and also afterwards it will be used in the rock community. These ones here that I have is buckwheat, which is very interesting because they become like a flower and they have the seed for some time and then until the leaves make the seed to pop up. We just have to fill the pools in the morning and in the evening. The residence was great. It was an amazing opportunity to be here 3 months. It was great to get to know all these amazing people at Center Rog, and I will remember all this time I had to work in my project.